Welcome to this March bullet journal setup where I use 3 different tones of green to make a very simple calendar setup with weekly spreads. I'm your Doodle Dragon and I bring you lots of bullet journals, greeting cards, and lots of doodles just for fun. I love being creative and creating my own bullet journals and calendars, and I'm also super busy. So this one was really quick, and I actually did every single week of this month the same, and I'm planning to have a left side where I put notes and then the right side where I put my dates and appointments. I really wanted to check and see where my energy level was. And so at the top, I have a little spot to put things I love, and then things I'm thinking about go in the middle where it says ponder. And then down on the bottom for every week, I also have the space for energy, thinking about where am I putting my energy. I plan to look back at the end of the month and see what were the things that I loved, what was I thinking about, and where did I put my energy so I can adapt my focus to what I want it to be next month. On the left page, I also have the list, which I really enjoyed making these little light lines back and forth. There's dots on this dot matrix page anyway, so it's easy to put a list of things and not have it be crooked. But I do like it to say the list, and I kind of like those stripes. And I tend to put a little box with a note and have things that I need to do throughout the week on that side of the page. And I am hoping that that's the right amount of space for me. I try not to put too many things on the list because I want them to be things that I can easily do. You may notice that this particular week has 9 days, and that's because I just didn't want to use another page. And then on my last page, I always put a gratitude section so I can think about being grateful all month long. Because of St. Patrick's Day, I did choose the green colors and also the feeling lucky for my gratitude. And I'm feeling lucky to have the opportunity to make this and also to share it with you. Here's my gratitudes from last month. I'm glad you could come. Feel free to like and subscribe if you want more content, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.